where you are today?
Texas.
Texas. And what are you here for?
To play and help Grandma and Grandpa.
Help them do what?
Help them with the cows and the chickens and all the other animals.
Oh, is this calving season? Yep. And do you have any idea how many calves they have so far?
Well, that's a kind of hard question.
Uh-huh. I know they're supposed to have 116, and I think they're up to 80-something so far.
Then it might be 80.
Mm-hmm.
Can you take the pictures of the calves before Jim moves the truck? Because they'll move out.
Where are they?
Walk over there toward the fence, see what you can get.
Okay. You want to come with me, Kim?
Where?
Over here and see if we can get some pictures of the calves that Grandma wants. Okay. See them laying down on the ground, kind of behind their mamas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it? Is one with their mama? Or is mama?
I see a bunch of them laying under the tree out there.
Hundreds. Thousands.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out there, and a couple
Look
more
at
over there.
that
Yeah, there's a bunch over here, aren't there?
He's
Let's
licking.
see.
Um,
There they are.
he's licking his mouth.
There's some more under the tree. Hey, babies. Hi, babies.
That
Oh,
one
you're going to
looks
get up?
kinda like a donkey.
A donkey?
Yeah. Don't touch that, Mama.
Yeah, I don't want to run into the electric fence for sure. Hello, babies. What you doing? Huh? What you guys doing? 136. I think that's my calf. Yeah, I think that's my calf. Kate is her name. There's another little one.
202
Uh-huh.
and 165.
What?
That's 202 daughter.
We're just looking. We're just looking.
Mama.
Dad's getting ready to feed, and look at all the
Mom.
cows getting up and going.
Her and her are baby and mama. Her and her are baby and mama.
Yeah.
Because they both have 2 and 2.
Uh-huh.
202. 202.
Okay. Let's go over here through the electric gate. Yeah. Want to watch Kim for me, please? Because I'm not watching her. Yeah. Uh-huh. Coming in, huh?
That's Willie B and Slick Willie, her baby. She's named for Bill Bickham.
Ah.
Is this the little white one here? White head?
Uh-huh. I see her. Or him.
That have another story about how Granddaddy sat down with her back and said, Granddaddy told me.
baby. Oh, you coming right over here? Oh, changed your mind. Uh-huh. Yeah, I thought it probably... Well, if it's an abscess, though, they still need to be drained. If they're an abscess, they still need to be drained. I would think it could cause infection, especially in her face like that.
Good condition.
Huh?
She's not in good body condition.
Yeah.
The horn flies are already out. They already have flies.
Huh.
Horn and field flies.
There's some babies. There's 3 eating at once. And the 4th trying to get in on action. Okay, let me shut this off.